What's up?
Oh my god, Polaroid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't have a Polaroid. I just thought this shirt looked nice.
Ugh, loser.
Well, fuck me, I guess. So, anyways, welcome to the first video on this channel. My name's Q, and I like to do Omegle and random stuff. Anyways, without any further ado, let's get on into the video.
Holy crap.
What?
Nothing. You're hot. Shut up.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I have clout and you don't have clout.
Hold on, let me grab my AirPods real quick.
Oh
Where
my
are they?
God, your AirPods broke. You need to just stop it right now.
I got the custom engraved AirPods. They say heck yeah, heck yeah.
You probably have freaking Fortnite. You probably play Fortnite all day.
No, I don't play Fortnite. I used to play Fortnite, but I don't really play games. Or I do play games, but not often.
Then what do you do?
I go to college.
Oh, you go to school.
Yeah.
What do you, like, what's your major?
Electrical engineering. It's not what I want to do, though. I want to be, like, an actor or a YouTuber.
Like Ninja?
No, I don't want to be like Ninja. I mean, I want to be as popular as Ninja. That would be epic, but I don't want to be Ninja.
Retarded.
I look retarded?
Yeah, I know. I look retarded.
Oh, okay.
You shouldn't be vaping. Does it have nicotine?
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't see any vape. That was my inhaler.
I'm just... Oh, bro. No, I used to have an inhaler that I did that with, but then, like, it ran out of stuff.
No, it's a vape, and it's got a little bit of nicotine in it, but not much.
Well, that's great for you, but when I'm 60 and don't have lung cancer, we're going to be having fun traveling the world, and you're going to be...
Okay, the chances of getting lung cancer from vaping is so much less than smoking. I know it's not the best for you, but it's not bad for you. You can get cancer from eating anything. Like, you could get cancer from eating beef.
I'm gonna eat a cheeseburger. Wait, no, how do you get cancer? I ate a freaking cheeseburger.
I ate a cheeseburger, I got me some cancer. Where are you guys from?
I don't actually look like this. Ew, why do I look homeless?
Where are you from?
We're from North Carolina, Gigi Bo.
North Carolina, hell yeah, brother.
Well, Gigi Bo. My wrist used to do that because I broke it.
Oh no.
You should do backwards.
How old are you? I'm gonna guess like 15, 14?
Yeah, you got it right.
Yeet. Wait, which one?
Oh, the second one.
Second one, okay. What song are you listening to? What song is that?
It's Armed and Dangerous by Juice WRLD.
Alright. Okay, so, do you think I can rap?
Sure.
No, you're supposed to say no.
Oh, no. No.
Yeah, there you go. Alright, so have you heard the song Rap God by Eminem?
Yeah, I can do the fast part, but I have to read the lyrics.
I don't even have to read the lyrics, like my eyes are closed. Some of them doing you, some of them human. What I gotta do to get it through you? I'm superhuman. I made a rubber set anything it says ricocheting off of me to glue to you. I'm never sitting on the never demonstrating how to give an audience a feeling like it's levitating and fitting. And I know the haters are forever waiting for the day that they can say I love that it's celebrating because I know the way to get them motivated. I make elevating music. You make elevator music. Oh, he's too mainstream. Well, that's what they do when they get jealous. They confuse it. It's not hip hop, it's pop. Cause I found a hella way to fuse it with rock, shock rap with doc. Throwing this stuff and make them lose it. I don't know how to write songs like that. I don't know what words to use. Let me know anytime it occurs to you while I'm ripping any one of these verses that verses you with curtains. I'm inadvertently hurting you. How many verses I got on murder to prove that if you were half as nice, your songs you could sacrifice virgins to. School flunky, pill junkie. But look at the accolades these skills brung me. Full of myself but still hungry, cause make me do what I put my mind to when I'm a million leagues above you. Ew when I speak in tongues but it's still tongue-in-cheek, fuck you. I'm drunk so Satan, take the fucking wheel. I'm asleep in the front seat bumping heavy D and the boy is still chunky but funky. Angels fight with devils and here's what they want from me. They're asking me to eliminate some of the women hate, but if you take into consideration the bit of hatred I had, then you may be a little patient. What?
I'm shook.
Oh yeah. Nobody ever expects me to be able to rap. That's because I can't, and I'm awful at it.
Good job.
Thank you. Alright, now your turn.
Remember the cash like oh yeah. I stuck a pecan.
Come on, you got this. I believe in you.
No.
No? No?
Why do you look like old grandpa? Are you stupid?
I mean, yeah, I'm really stupid.
No, not you. Then how are you in college?
Good question. That's a mystery. Student loans. Actually, I don't have to take any out yet, but I'm probably going to need to soon.
Good job.
Yeah. Failing. Huh.
You look like you live in a trailer.
No, I live in a dorm. This is a dorm.
No, I was not you.
Oh. Well, you were really cool. I'm gonna go find some more cool people. I'm trying to make a YouTube video.
You want to meet my brother?
Sure.
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, sad day.
I'm just kidding.
Alright, bye.
He's really mean. Come here.
Oh my god!
His name is Charlie.
What type of dog is he?
Terrier. Terrier.
He's so cute. Oh my god. Hi, Charlie.
He bites. He bites hard.
Oh. How old is he?
Like 4 weeks.
Oh my goodness. I just got done dog sitting for my friends. They have cute dogs, but not as cute as that. Oh my goodness.
Well, thanks.
He bites his dick.
Oh. That's a problem. He needs to be trained not to do that, because that is painful.
That's mentally retarded cousin.
Oh, okay. I have a few of those.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell Charlie I said I love him.
Right, yeah, later.
What's up?
Oh, what's up, man?
How are you?
Good. How are you? Are you a YouTuber?
I want to be.
Oh, Vape Nation. Gay ass nigga, bro. Gay ass nigga, bro.
I bet too, man.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you don't mind, like and subscribe, and I guess catch me in the next video. Peace.